Now that's the wash machine making noise. Hello, my beautiful people. This is Miss Ruby. I'm trying to get away from the glare. Oh, that's just even worse. Maybe right here. Maybe. Happy Saturday, everybody. I am on the job. I'm having my lunch. Kimchi noodles. Japanese noodles. I curved the hot spicy can. See, it's the hot spicy chicken. You put cucumbers in it and a little ketchup. And it's got this spicy chicken. Boy, these things are good. But they spicy. Ooh, it's hot spicy. But you put the cucumber in it, it draws that spice up. Boy, these things are good. And I put a little extra water because of the salt. It has a lot of sodium. It's been a good day so far, this Saturday. Went to the grocery store. I'm at work. I'll be fixing their lunch at 12, and I'm eating mine a little early. I went upstairs in the employees lounge, had me a nice hot shower. Feeling brand new. Got me a Coca-Cola in here. I was supposed to drink dark soda, so I got me some more Sprite, Sun Drop. But today, I'll stop the camera from shaking. Today, I'm gonna drink Coca-Cola. I'm trying to keep the glare out. I gotta get another hairstyle because this ain't working.